Today I want to talk about something really specific. Why does a mentor matter so much is because of the fact that the mentor will actually not get you through the pain and the problems that they went through. And nobody's gonna come and take your hands and tell you, hey, follow me and I will teach you how to make your $1 million business. When you have $100 million in your bank account and you're thinking about your next move, trust me, you haven't figured it out. If I could give you guys one genuine, honest opinion, that would be that Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope each one of you is having an amazing time, inshallah. Currently seated in the back of a Maybach, speaking to you, my people. I'm currently loving this car and I decided to make yet another video while going out on a meeting. And today I want to talk about something really specific, figuring out at an early stage, and people thinking that, you know, once you get to a certain stage, you know it all. Don't get me wrong, guys, of course things got a bit more clearer, but regardless, you're still gonna have brain fog, you're still gonna be lost in what decision you should be taking next, and you're still gonna be a beginner no matter how much you go forward. Do you know why? Because there's new levels that get unlocked that you probably never find a way through, and you will always be lost at that. So today's video is mostly about kind of realizing and understanding that every single person has their struggles. And even though I'm 21, alhamdulillah, I'm rich, I still haven't figured out anything, and I'm still trying to figure out things, because the current level that I'm in is different than the levels that I was in back in the days or a few months or years ago. So things have changed, and I'm gonna tell you guys how you can actually level up in the best possible way. Before I forget to tell you guys, it is by having a mentor. I'm not here to tell you guys all buy my course or whatever, but I'm out here giving you guys genuine advice. If you actually want to go from place A to place B in one of the quickest times possible without facing the problems that you would face as a beginner, then one of the best things to do is actually have a mentor. Why does a mentor matter so much is because of the fact that the mentor will actually not get you through the pain and the problems that they went through. For example, if you want to be, you know, a bodybuilder, and if you want to have a beautiful body, and if you want to start your fitness journey, imagine thinking it, you know, starting it all by yourself. You might get injured, you might not know what workout to do on which day, you might have a lot of struggles. But then imagine if you had a mentor or a coach. He would know what to teach you every single day of the week. He would be able to push you, and he would be able to tell you exactly what you need to do next. When it comes to anything else, I would say fitness, I would say beauty, I would say even content creation, it's kind of like a level, and you know where you're going. Except entrepreneurship. I'm currently, if I was to compare from level 1 to level 100, maybe I'm in level 15, level 16, of course, level 100 is, I'm talking about billionaires. Maybe I'm in level 15, maybe I'm level 8, I don't know yet, right? But I'm trying to level up and I'm trying to grow. But one thing that I deeply realize or deeply understand is that every single level is different than the, you know, previous level or the level that I was in. And that's why when I watched this one video of Iman Gaji, it actually gave me a much more clearer and perspective or idea about this video or this topic, because he even mentioned that even though I might be level 20, 35, 40, God knows best, right? I still haven't figured out anything, and this is something that I relate to the most, and I think every single entrepreneur relates to this the most. You don't really have a specific, you know, kind of level to know where you're going. For example, if it is content creation, you know, you have to improve your content and get this and this kind of algorithm and blah 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 to get somewhere you want. When it comes to fitness, you know that, you know, within time this is the exact body that you're gonna have if you work out in this kind of a specific routine with this kind of a diet. Entrepreneurship, all out of the blue, literally. Today you could take an action that would change the entire organization in the best possible way, and you could perhaps take a decision that would ruin the entire organization. And that could be maybe hiring someone and they destroy your company, and firing someone who would be one of the best decisions, because that firing would literally change everything. But you guys get the point, right? Nobody has it figured out. Neither did I, neither will you figure it all out. It is literally mission impossible. When you have $100 million in your bank account and you're thinking about your next move, trust me, you haven't figured it out unless you have the right people around you, or unless you have a mentor. And a mentor or the right person around you is so important, boys. Imagine if you knew what you should do next to get to that level. Imagine if you knew how you could go from level 6 to level 7, and from 7 to 8, and from 8 to 9, and then change your mentor, have another mentor, and keep going and going and going. This is why I invest into books. This is why I read so much, financial literacy. This is why I put my time onto YouTube, into something that will actually be beneficial for me. Because at the end of the day, the only thing that truly actually gives you a benefit is when you actually level up your own knowledge or your own understanding of kind of the game that you're playing. Even though you will not have a clear picture, but even getting close to it is what gets you where you want to be. And this video is more of telling you guys to not be overwhelmed, to not be scared, to not be, out of your mind thinking that, oh, I haven't figured it out, so I'm not gonna do this, I'm not gonna do that. No, take the risk, do it no matter what it takes. The reason why you should take the risk is because nobody is gonna tell you to take the risk. When you're an entrepreneur, you're the solo person who can take the best decisions and the worst decisions. But either ways, they're both a lesson for you to learn from. And nobody is gonna come and take your hands, except if you have a mentor once again. And nobody's gonna come and take your hands and tell you, hey, follow me and I will teach you how to make your $1 million business. Even if it is a mentor, let's be real with you guys. $1 million business is not easy. It's gonna take a few years. It's gonna, minimum take a few months to be built around. So if I could give you guys one genuine, honest opinion, that would be that entrepreneurship is a journey. It's a marathon and not a run. And this marathon has to be enjoyed in the biggest, nicest, most enjoyable way possible. Because when you look back, once you're 80 or 90 years old, you're only gonna remember the good days. You're only gonna remember the risks that you took. You're only gonna remember how that one decision changed everything. And then you're gonna tell your kids, you're gonna tell the people around you, and everyone's gonna be like, I'm proud of you for taking that decision. That is exactly what you're going to hear from people. And this is why you have to actually think about this twice. The decisions that you currently take. You don't have to kind of, emotionally attach yourself to any decision when it comes to business. Whether you're hiring a friend, firing a friend, whether you're working with a friend, whether your business partner is your best friend. Emotions should be out of business. This is something that nobody gets to understand. Emotions are one thing that truly destroys you and your business both together. And you have to have a clear path, goal and view on where you want to get in life, on where you want to actually head towards. Because if you're not clear with your goals, you're not going to be clear with the levels, and you're not going to understand which level you're currently in to get to the next level. I mean, just imagine you dropped into, a random game, level 1, and you're doing everything but completing the missions to get to level 2. When you don't have a goal, you're not gonna have a clear picture of where you want to get in life. And that, unclearness or the brain fog that you're gonna have is all because of the fact that you don't know what you want to do next. So if you want my best advice, guys, as a, genuine entrepreneur who's been doing it for the past 4 years, I would tell you guys one important thing. That would be literally write down your daily goals. Have a monthly goal, break it down into daily goals, and I promise you're gonna only see yourself smashing the goals and doing better than ever before. That is something that I've done myself for the longest times. I probably have more than 30 books filled out with my daily goals. Each book is 40 pages, 30 pages, 100 pages, some of them of course, and I filled it. I've literally written down my daily goals, and I've got to this position because of the fact that I had the discipline to make sure that whatever that I wrote in that notebook is getting done in that day, or perhaps maximum 48 hours. Some tasks would take me much more longer because it would be a much more longer process, and it wouldn't be dependent upon me. It would be dependent on the third party like a client or whatever, but I would try my very best to actually clear that out. So If you perhaps have a brain fog, if you perhaps don't have a clear path on where you want to get, if you perhaps don't know which level you're in or which level you're currently playing in, then what I would suggest you guys is to have a goal setting measure. Why? Because it actually gives you a clear picture of where you're heading, where you should be, and how exactly you're going to be able to take care of yourself in the long run in the best possible way. Now, I hope this video was informative, because a lot of the people that message me, they're confused, they don't know what they're doing, and they have millions of questions. What I tell you guys is to get rid of every single question in your mind, continue what you're currently doing, do better than everybody else, and inshallah you're gonna get to where you want to be in life. The only thing is that you have to continue improving, and once you continue improving, even if it's 0.1% every single day, it compounds. It goes from 0.1 to 0.2 to 0.4 to 0.8 to 0. I don't know, you guys get the idea. It literally compounds and compounds and compounds. And that is the same thing with investment, that is the same thing with uploading on YouTube. That is why I'm currently uploading every single day, because I know it compounds in the long run, and I truly believe that this will be huge, inshallah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope inshallah you're going to be having a clear view and picture of where you want to be in life, get rid of the brain fog or whatever that you currently have, and inshallah take the best decisions that you possibly can on the chessboard. And the rest, trust Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That is the best advice that I could give you guys. I hope inshallah it was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ma'as salama wa rahmatullah.